Imagine your entire digital life accessible from anywhere, acting like a seamless extension of your computer a circumflex euros. That's exactly what we're unlocking with Dropbox today. First, ensure you have the Dropbox desktop application installed and are logged into your account. If you don't have it yet, head to Dropbox.com to download it. Once installed, Dropbox begins syncing your files to its cloud-based storage. Now, here's the magic. Your Dropbox folder behaves just like any other folder on your computer. You can create new folders inside it, move existing files and folders into it, and even delete items directly from this Dropbox folder. Let's practice. I'm going to take this Project Archive folder from my desktop, which contains all my work documents, and drag it directly into my Dropbox folder. As you can see, Dropbox immediately begins uploading these files to the cloud. You can monitor the upload progress on the Dropbox website or through the desktop app's menu bar icon once synced. This folder and all its contents are now safely stored in the cloud. The real power comes when you access this from another device. Open the Dropbox app on your phone, tablet, or another computer. You'll find our Project Archive folder, ready for you to browse, download, or even edit files directly. Make a change on one device, and that change instantly syncs across all your connected devices. It's like having a portable hard drive that's always up to date and accessible anywhere with an internet connection. So, by treating your Dropbox folder like your virtual hard drive, you gain incredible flexibility and peace of mind, knowing your important data is always within reach.